In this video, I'll show you how to charge your Fitbit Charge 6. So how to do this, very easy. Take the charging cable that is included inside of the box, and you'll need an actual charger because it doesn't come with any power bricks. Any charger that is USB type A, like this one, will work. I will put a link in the description if you want to get one of these from Amazon. Actually, this one is Amazon branded. So you just need to connect it here, connect this into a AC outlet like this. And now you just have to bring the watch and the charging pad here together. You see there's two prongs, and on the other side of the Fitbit there is some contacts here, 4 circles. You just need to bring them together, and it's magnetic. They will stick together like this. And automatically the charge will start. You see, every time I connect it, I can see how much charge I have left in the Fitbit, and you can just leave it like this on your nightstand. You can even keep the watch hanging on the side of your nightstand, and since it's magnetic, it won't detach itself during the night. What you can also do is, if you have a portable charger, you can connect this cable to it and charge your Fitbit Charge 6 on the go. So you can just leave it in your backpack and charge it while you're traveling. So this is how you charge your Charge 6. I hope this was helpful. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.